What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have the Earthgro by Scott's. This is from Home Depot. Went there today, we got this. Now we are going to put this one in the backyard. Unfortunately, the Negro the Negro black mulch is not available. Well, it's available, but it's not on sale. Lowe's do have another Scott's brand that's on sale right now. I believe it's 5 for 10. Y'all know how this goes. If y'all usual Lowe's and Home Depot people, then y'all know all of this stuff is 5 for 10 for the springtime. Now, I don't know how long the sale will last, so I am going to try to get this video out as soon as possible. So there you go. That's the Earthgro. I am going to put it out in the garden and y'all will see basically the shreddedness on this, and I would try to compare with the other two that I bought. It says it lasts for 12 months. Usually this stuff lasts for 12 months, you guys. You put this down and you don't put it down again until next spring. Sometimes you might get a fall sale, maybe, but a lot of people don't usually put this on in fall. They put it on in the springtime. This is the one from Lowe's. As you can see, there's a difference. So this one is from Lowe's, and this one was the Hyponics by Scott's. And you see how they come like this, and this is the new one. So this is way more shredded than these other ones. This has some shred in it, but you see how big these wood chips are? Like, look at this wood chip, big wood chips. Look, taking y'all over here, big wood chip. All right, you did not see no big wood chips out of all of that mulch. So there you go. All right. So there you go. All right, you guys. One, two, three. How's that?
Very light.
Very light?
Yep.
All right. 4.
Very light.
I'll do one more. That way, when you turn it, it don't fall. I hope it don't fall. All right, that's good. Grab this one. You might get a splinter. All right, I'm going to cut one of these. As a matter of fact, let me rake some of this stuff up. Or I could just bury it. Put some of this down. Oh, this is way more shredded than the other one. This is a good one. You can spread that one a little bit. Let me get back here. Watch out for these stickies. Glad I didn't get poked when I was back here. All right. Put the next 5 on. If I need more, then I'll go back to the store. Ouch, ouch. Yeah, you guys, don't wear shorts when you do this. Whew, messed my legs up. Whew. Looking really good, you guys. It's actually more shredded than the other two. I actually like this brand. This brand, I might stick with this one. Y'all see that? Wow. This is probably the biggest clump I've seen in here, or lump, clump, lump, whatever you call it. Wood chip. This is the biggest wood chip. Yep. I'm gonna bring 10 more up in here, you guys. 10 more. Ooh, I need to clean up down here, you guys. I haven't been down here in a long time. Since the dead bird. All right, you guys. So this tree is actually from my neighbor. This is a myrtle tree or something like that. It's in front of their house. It's a big tree. So y'all know how like the little seedlings come on the bottom of trees. So they gave me the little seedlings, and basically it grew very well. And I want to straighten it up some if I can. So all I'm gonna do is dig it up a little bit and straighten it. Yeah, the one out front of your house?
Oh, I forgot we did that.
Yeah.
Is that one there?
Yeah. It grew out as a bush, but I'm gonna cut it so it can grow up as a tree.
Great water?
Yeah. Got him. Garden looking good, you guys. But yeah, this is way more shredded, you guys. I'm gonna take a little handful and then show y'all next to the other two. This is the one from Lowe's. As you can see, there's a difference. So this one is from Lowe's. This was the black mulch, and this one was the hydroponics by Scott's. And you see how they come like this, and this is the new one. So this is way more shredded than these other ones. This has some shred in it, but you see how big these wood chips are? Like, look at this, wood chip, big wood chips. Look, taking y'all over here, big wood chip. All right, you did not see no big wood chips out of all of that mulch. So there you go. All right. So there you go. All right, you guys. All right, you guys. All right. I am done. I got to do some trimming. I really want to take that little bush back there. I want to put it up here, but I might do that for next year. I'm not going to do that right now. So next year I'll dig that little bush out. I'll put it out front right here. But that's it, you guys. The Scott's black mulch right now on sale at Home Depot. I don't know how long the sale will last. I will try to look it up, but $2 a bag. Not bad. 1.5 cubic foot. And it took 5, 6, 7. It took 7 bags. All right, so take y'all butts to Home Depot, get some cheap mulch, and save some money and do it yourself.